Pretty accurate weather station there. Pretty cool. Heck yeah. Some cool little... Oh, we're gonna make America great again, finally. Anyway, some cool little roadside stuff. I think that's pretty cool. You can see there's all kinds of... Oh, there's a real, actually, little bird there. Yeah, see it there, taking the bed. Oh, actually it's diving. Yep. That one went there, went popped back up. Anyway, there's some cool little stuff laying around here. Hey Joe. Oh my goodness. I thought these people wanted to make America great again. Evidently not. Never understood that about people. Well, don't worry, we're gonna make America great again. We can scratch off that Harris and put in Trump, baby. Yeah. Elkhorn Ranch was just where I was at getting that video out in the field there of the mountain and the clouds in the background. So I'll just say that. Anyway, I'm just making this video here from Marion Falls all the way to, I don't know, I guess the rainforest, Quinault Rain Forest. So just hitting little stops here and there. Right here we're going to look at the Sitka spruce, and then Gatton Creek Falls, and then on down to the little rainforest nature trail there. This is a trail on the way to the world's largest Sitka spruce, or at least it was once upon a time. I know we'll see the sign up here in a minute, but anyway, oh, just a heads up, I don't know if it's because it's during winter time or what, but there's a bridge that crosses on pass that goes to connects north and south Quinault, and that bridge was closed. So unfortunately I had to backtrack all the way around. So I'd gone to the rainforest that was on the north shore. Oh man, let's get a look at the size of this bad boy. Okay, but the top broke off. We'll see that here in a second, but that thing is wide. Give you some scale. There we go. World's, I said, largest spruce tree. 191 feet tall. About 1,000 years old. This is a Sitka spruce, one of the Quinault Valley's 6 champion trees. The trees in the Quinault Rainforest are well watered with an average rainfall of 12 feet a year. There is a spruce in Oregon that has 902 AFA points. They named a co-champion. Also, there are the world's largest western red cedar, Douglas fir, and mountain hemlock. The United States' largest yellow cedar and western hemlock. Wow. Pretty cool. But look at the size of this thing. I don't think. See if I can give it some scale. All right. So here we go. All right. I can't even get up there to climb up to it. I can't even reach it. There. Tells you how wide this thing is at the base. Oh man. 1,000 years old. Wow, pretty cool. We'll get over in a minute and see Quinault Lake. Get a good view of that later. But anyway, let's get another one. Here's the base of that. World's largest spruce tree, Sitka spruce. Let's try to get one more from way out back here. There's water just meandering its way on over. There's about a tennis ball in there. Making its way on over to Lake Quinault Lake, whatever you call it. But there's the Sitka spruce. Oh, it can barely fit in the frame. If it hadn't had its top lopped off, it wouldn't have fit in the frame. But yeah, does have a little bit of some moss and trees here. Not like other spots, but still, it's not bad. As you can see, it's raining. That's usually the theme over here on the Washington Peninsula, and it is what it is. I've come accustomed to it. It doesn't bother me really. It's just pouring down raining. This stuff don't bother me a bit. As long as it ain't freezing cold and real windy. Yeah, I can hike in this stuff all day long. As long as my feet stay dry and my clothes, that's all that matters. I got this jacket right here. I don't know, can I zoom in it? As far as it goes. Yeah, I got this jacket literally at a thrift shop, secondhand, whatever, in Maryland. And I forgot it was like 30, 40 bucks. Oh my goodness. Man, this thing is my, when I'm out in the woods and it's basically in the 40s or below, this is my jacket to wear. All right. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that right there. See how it's basically rotting in the middle there, and then it's just got a weird looking tree that's grown straight up with a hollow in the middle. So that's how they get hollow in the middle. There's second generation trees on that site. But anyway, let's get on over here to the next spot. So here's one of these old ones right here, where it's just hollow in the middle and it's falling apart now. We're going on our way to Gatton Creek Falls now. It's 7/10 of a mile. Here, let me show you just real quick how here's when you go off trail, what you gotta go through. This ain't easy. Plus there's some false bottoms too that you can fall through, break stuff, or kill you. It's nature's booby traps. Tell you. Gotta be safe out there, people. Look at the moss hanging here. So cool. These forests get dark very fast. Wow. No joke. Pretty cool. I didn't see hardly any people at all. I didn't see a single person the whole time I was at the Tree of Life. That was awesome. That place is usually constantly packed. So, you know, you can check that out. That was from my earlier video. That was pretty nice there. I love going to that place. Anytime I'm over here, I try to stop. And I'm on the Washington Peninsula up in that area. Have you been? Oh no, dead mushroom down. If you ain't been up over here to Washington Peninsula, you gotta do it. Make the time. It is worth it. You can't see everything. You can't see everything in a week. I've been over here 3 days and I'm just covering one small portion. And that's it. You know, 3 days I've done Shishi Beach Trail, Ozette Triangle Trail, and then today I've done whole Rainforest, Tree of Life, and Quinault. So, making my way back to my home base in Puyallup. HQ for me. But yeah, you know, get in exercise. I've already gotten, well, when I'm done with this, it'll be over 20 miles for the 3 days I've hiked. So not too shabby. You know, do what you can. You know. Anyway, let me go over by this Gatton Creek Falls, I believe is what it is, coming up. Boy, look how dark it got in here. It don't take long. I'm on trail. Imagine I was over there, look how much darker it is. It gets dark quick over here. This camera luckily lights it up a lot better than, like, it's literally brightens it a lot more than what it is for my eyes. But yeah, pretty cool. Alright, Gatton Creek Falls. Right there. Coming down right here. It's raining pretty good, so that's enough for this. Love the sound of running water, even when you can't really see it. Ooh. How thick is getting up in here. I'm not afraid of the dark. No, you were merely introduced to it. I was born into it, molded by it. I have become one with the darkness. Beautiful area. Look at the brick wall and how it's just basically turned into you know, moss wall. This is Quinault Lake. As you can see, it's pretty rainy here, but it is a beautiful lake. There's some really good fishing here. They have cabins here and a restaurant, the salmon house, and a little store over here as well. So, you know, not too shabby here. Of course, right now I can't do much. It's raining. Hey, rainforest. What can you expect? Washington Peninsula. There is the Lake Quinault Museum and an old post office building. Over there as well. And the last stop is the Quinault Rainforest Nature Trail. Not long at all. We'll get a little bit of it here. It's not a long trail, but as you can see, Rainforest Trail right here. Loops around. I don't know if you can read it or not. Kind of hard to, I guess, with the rain. Let me get up here where I'm in the woods better. Alright, here we go. Oh, smokes. You can see how tall this bad boy is. Whoa! Wow. It's pretty cool how that tells you about the temperate rainforest around here. As you can see. Look at the size of that mushroom. Holy smokes. Toadstool, whatever you call them. Look at the bridge here. Well, we'll get back up here in a second. Let's have a look-see. Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh, yeah. Wow, look at that water roll. See any more of it there? A little bit. There we go. Dang. Not too shabby. There's a top side view. Right there. Yeah, some more literature there. As you can see, just on this side over here, there is a lot of stuff to do. Just on the, I guess, the south road of it goes around Lake Quinault, or Quinault Lake, whatever. So just from the start at the beginning, and then like 5 miles past Merriman Falls is Bunch Falls, which I didn't do that because one, I've already done it, which I've done all these anyway, and two, it's not worth seeing. See, ain't seen any otters yet. As you can see. Woo. Yeah, pretty cool. Back over here too. Oh man, look at that big old rock. That'll bust your kneecap for sure. Anyway, this is I forgot how long it is. It's a short one. Loop Trail, Quinault Rain Forest. I guess technically it's called the Quinault Rain Forest Nature Trail. So they have a bunch of other trails here, obviously, if you want to do longer ones and see other stuff. But you know, this is my last stop for today. Whole rainforest was my first stop, and saw tree of life in the middle. And of course, yesterday I did Ozette Triangle Trail, and the day before that I did Shishi Beach Trail, and before that I worked. So no video of that though. Let's see, it may be CCT footage, but other than that, no. Anyway, I do believe that's about going to be the end of it for this one. I am going to get on back home, get ready for my 4 days, my work week. Anyway, I'll be well out there, people. If you're not happy, find the happiness in your life. You know, if you don't like yourself, change. You know,
you know, depression and, you know, you just feeling like crap and not enjoying life, that's your body's way of telling you they are tired of being whatever this character is that you've, you know, drawn up for yourself. So anyway, get out there, enjoy nature, people, be happy.